Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video that I want to share with everybody. This is pretty much universal. If you are you bought a new screen, computer screen, maybe you've changed, Windows, be it Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10, usually will adapt itself to the new screen you've got. It will kind of look at it, especially with HDMI today. It can kind of query the screen and ask, okay, what's your native resolution and how can I display to you? But in some cases, there still happens a time when it doesn't display right. It could be the aspect ratio is not good. It could be that just the resolution is not the right one for the screen, or sometimes you might want a different resolution than what is the native resolution of the screen. And remember that on any screen, any Windows version, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10, you can right-click on the screen. You will have display properties, you will have display settings, wherever it's called, and you will be able to change the screen resolution from there. So remember that the screen resolution is always something that can be displayed. So this, you see it here from Windows 10, and here I've got the resolution there. But in Windows 7, you'll have it in a different way, but it's still going to show you the screen resolution and different sizes. And if you're wondering what size to choose, one of the interesting parts, remember that when you change resolution, if you don't touch anything, the computer will revert back to its original setting you had 30 seconds after you've chosen. So don't be scared to choose one that you're not sure of, because if it doesn't display, if it's just a black screen, just wait 30 seconds, and you'll see that it's going to come back to the original setting, so you'll be able to choose something else. And that's a kind of a fail-safe setting, because it happens that you can choose a bad resolution and your screen's just going dark, and you're like, okay, well, now I don't see anything anymore. By waiting, it's going to naturally come back. And of course, if you want to apply it, you'll have to say okay before that 30 seconds, or else it's going to come back. Once you've done that, it's actually going to stay put. It's going to stay like that. And every time you boot up your machine, it should normally stay at the same resolution you've chosen to use your computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.